What's going on, traders? This is Mike with Tactical Traders doing some weekend scans, and right now I am looking at ticker symbol NKLA on the daily chart over the past about 6 months of price history. And so this thing can move, as you can see in the past. It's had quite a range on it, moving from $40 to the next day to a high of $93.99. So this thing can move. Definitely use some caution with this one. I do not recommend shorting it whatsoever. Not at these levels, at least. It moves too much. It's too much of a risk for anything like that. But however, let's go into the chart a little bit and see if there's any possible setups on a bullish perspective. And before I really go too much more into it, just want to say, if you like this video, please hit that like button. It helps me out a ton. And subscribe to the channel if you do want to see more of these videos. So recently, in the past couple weeks, we've seen a huge increase in volume, more volume than even on this big move up here. So there's a lot of eyes on this ticker, and right now we can see the 200 SMA, the price has fallen below it, and it looks like the 200 SMA is acting actually as a area of resistance now. You see the last two candles have had those long upper wicks, the inverted hammers, so sellers are definitely stepping up there and pushing the price back down. Now let's go into a closer time frame. So we're in the 20-day 1 hour, and we can see that there's definitely some areas of resistance and support. So an area of resistance I see is going to be right here at this 26 area, I'd say. Just mark that right there. So the last couple of days, that's where the prices have been having problems getting past. And also at the same time, there has been an increased amount of volume right there. So, and we're going to be looking at 22, yeah, right there, about the 22 mark as an area of support. That was tested over here as well as here and here. So 22 and a half, 22 areas of support, and then 26 is the area of resistance. I'm looking at this as a bullish trade, so we're going to be looking for the area of 26 to be broken on an increased amount of volume. That increase in volume is going to be key in this, and it's really going to cement that the bulls have a good momentum behind them, and this is a powerful move. Going on from there, we can have some areas of profit taking that we can start highlighting. And when I say these areas, you could always take all of your position size off there and lock in profits, but I do recommend taking off maybe a quarter, a third, half of your position size at these areas to lock in some gains and hopefully let the rest ride to future gains. And so the next area is definitely going to be pretty much right here at 29. At the break of 29, this is where it can get pretty interesting, and we can see a gap fill all the way up to around 33. Also keep an eye on the 200 SMA. I want to actually go back to the daily just to see where that is. All right, so that's right around the 26 and a half, we'll say. So I just want to go back to that. Whoops. All right, so definitely be looking to take off maybe a quarter, a third, or half your position size at the 29 area, letting the rest ride hopefully to a gap fill up around $33. And you could always keep some on the table on that, but I do recommend taking most of your profits right at that area. Alright, traders, well, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to get into the chat room with us, we are offering a free 30-day trial, and you can find all that information at tacticaltraders.com. Thank you for watching, traders, and until next time, stay profitable.